How to transfer money from one bank to another. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can transfer money from one bank to another. You'll be able to transfer money from one bank to another using the bank's website or the mobile application. If you want to use the mobile application, you will need to download it from your App Store or the Google Play Store. And if you want to use the official website, you will need to first open any web browser, and in the search bar you will need to type the official URL of the bank you are going to use. Here I am going to use Capital One Bank, so I am entering official URL of Capital One Bank, that is capitalone.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of that particular bank. Here you will need to make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here you will need to select your account and then click on transfer or transfer money option. Then you will need to follow the prompts, enter the recipient bank account number and specify the amount you would like to transfer. And after that, you will need to verify yourself in order to transfer money. If you are transferring from one bank to another, you may be charged with interbank fund transfer fees. If you don't want to transfer it, you may also write a check to transfer funds to another bank account, either by depositing it directly or using mobile deposit features. So by following these steps, you should be able to transfer your money from one bank to another. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.